Amazing facts about woodpecker you didn't know. Distinctive drumming. Woodpeckers are known for their drumming behavior, where they peck rapidly on tree trunks or other surfaces. This drumming serves to communicate with other woodpeckers, establish territory, and find mates. Specialized beaks. Woodpeckers have strong, chisel-like beaks that are perfectly adapted for drilling into wood. Their beaks are designed to chip away at bark and wood to find insects or create nesting sites. Shock absorption. Woodpeckers have specialized adaptations to protect their brains from the shock of their high-impact pecking. Their skulls have extra thick bone and a spongy tissue layer that absorbs the impact. Long, sticky tongues. Woodpeckers have long, extendable tongues covered in sticky saliva or barbs. These tongues help them extract insects from deep within the wood or crevices. Tail feathers. They use their stiff, pointed tail feathers as a prop while pecking. The tail feathers provide support and balance against the tree trunk or other surfaces. Climbing adaptations. Woodpeckers have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 toes pointing backward. This foot structure helps them cling to vertical surfaces and climb trees efficiently. Varied diet. While insects are a primary food source, woodpeckers also eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and occasionally small vertebrates. Their diet can vary depending on the species and the availability of food. Diverse species. There are over 200 species of woodpeckers worldwide, distributed across various continents. They inhabit a range of environments, from forests and woodlands to savannas and even urban areas. Nesting behavior. Woodpeckers create cavity nests by excavating holes in trees. These nests provide protection for their eggs and chicks. The size and shape of the cavity can vary depending on the woodpecker species. Seasonal migration. Some woodpecker species are migratory, moving to different areas based on the availability of food and seasonal changes. Others are resident species, staying in the same territory year-round. Camouflage. Many woodpeckers have plumage that helps them blend into their surroundings. Their coloration often mimics the bark of trees, providing camouflage against predators. Monogamous pairs. Many woodpecker species form monogamous pairs, maintaining long-term bonds with a single mate. Both parents are involved in raising the young, including feeding and protecting the nest. Drumming patterns. Each woodpecker species has a distinctive drumming pattern or rhythm. These patterns are used to convey information about territory and attract potential mates. Woodpecker drumming and forest health. The foraging behavior of woodpeckers can help control insect populations and contribute to forest health. By creating cavities, they also provide nesting sites for other animals. Cultural impact. Woodpeckers have featured prominently in folklore, symbolism, and popular culture. They are often depicted as diligent and industrious animals, and some species, like the red-headed woodpecker, have inspired mascot and character designs.